Yahtzee. How to play. The object of the game is to have the highest score after 13 rounds. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. Write each player's name on the score sheet in the order of play. On your turn, roll all 5 dice from the cup. Then you may re-roll any number of them or all of them in the cup together up to 2 more times, setting aside keepers or rolling dice you had set aside previously. You are allowed to stop rolling at any time and score. After your 3rd roll, you must stop rolling and score, whether you want to or not. To score, pick any one of the 13 rows you haven't already scored for and follow the rules on the scoring sheet for that row and write in your score. The upper section counts all dice of the same number and adds them together. The lower section is more specialized. A 3 of a kind is 3 dice of the same number. A 4 of a kind is 4 dice of the same number. When you score these, be sure to count the total of all 5 dice. A full house is 3 dice of one number with 2 dice of another number. A small straight is 4 dice in sequential order, and a large straight is 5 dice in sequential order. A Yahtzee is 5 dice of the same number. For chance, you score the sum of all the dice you rolled. If you don't have the correct dice for any available section, then you must write a 0 in any section of your choice. Once a score is written, it cannot be changed later, even if you roll the requirements for that section. If you roll more than 1 Yahtzee in a game, then for each extra Yahtzee after the first one, you get to write an X in the bonus Yahtzee section and score points for one other available space in this order. Score the 5 dice for the matching numeric in the upper section. If that is full, then fill in the 3 of a kind or 4 of a kind with the sum of all 5 dice. If those are also filled, then you can score the total points for either full house, small or large straight, or chance. If you've already scored a 0 in your Yahtzee box, then you cannot earn any Yahtzee bonus. There is no limit to the number of bonus Yahtzees you can score. After 13 rounds, add up all your totals and then add any bonuses if applicable. Calculate your grand total, and the player with the highest score wins.